Alright guys, here I have a Da Vinci male and a Super Snowflake female. This is a bonded pair. Female is about 2 inches. Male is about 1.75 inches. This is a little nice bonded little pair. They've been bonded for a while already. Ready to go.